All right, namaste everyone. Welcome to this quick tutorial on Postman. In this tutorial, we will see how to download the Postman app for your Windows desktop, and we will also go through the web app of Postman and see few things. We'll get an overview, we'll test some free APIs and just get a hang of it, right? So, okay, let's quickly get started. Now, what is Postman, you may ask? Postman is a platform for mainly for testing of APIs, and it makes it very easy to test APIs. It also allows you to build APIs, but in this tutorial, we'll see how to test some APIs and get a hang of it. Yeah. So to download Postman, you simply have to Google download Postman and it will take you to this URL postman.com/download. Right now we will see a tutorial on downloading the Postman app for your Windows desktop, but similar steps should be applicable for your iOS PC or Linux PCs. Right, so just click on this button and it will start downloading the installer. The setup has been installed. You can either directly click here or go to your downloads folder and open the setup. So I'll just click here and wait for the setup to open up. It's a pretty simple process, to be honest. All right, so it is asking us to sign in or sign up, right? So I have an account already created on Postman. I will just simply sign in. Signing up is fairly simple as well. I will just sign in with my Google account. All right, we are in. It is asking us if it wants us to open Postman, and yes, we want to open Postman. So this is the homepage for your Postman app. The testing of APIs and the work happens inside workspaces. I have one workspace created already. Let's see how to create a new workspace and then see how we can enter that workspace and test few APIs, right? So let's create workspace. Yeah, blank workspace. The name would be API testing. A new workspace for testing some APIs. I'll keep it personal. You can choose it as per your requirement. And I'll click on create. Okay, we are in the workspace. You can see all your workspace here, right? This is an overview page. We can get rid of it. Just click on this plus and let's get started. All right, so I have few free APIs opened up here. So let's hit this fakestoreapi.com/products. Let's hit this and see what do we get. Send. So by clicking on send, you are sending the request. As a result of that, you will get a response back, and this is the response. Let's just compare it. This should be the response, and we have it as well. ID1, title, something, price, something, etc. So we have it, right? Now let's test the API for a single product. So it is just product/1. Let's do it ourselves. Product/1. And we have the details. We have the details. Yep, we have the details. Cool. Let's test another free API. And I will leave the links of these free APIs in the description below and other useful information in the description below. Perfect. We have this data here as the response. Perfect. Let's try this. Boom. We have this data. One more. We have the data as well. Perfect. Now, there is one more thing that you should know about Postman is that you can use Postman as installed app on your PC and also on the web. So if you click here, this would take us here as well. Same place. You can do your testing on the web as well, right? So if you copy any API, you can do the same thing on the web as well. So you may ask that why do you need to install the Postman app? A lot of times we do our web development on our PC itself in the local system, and to test the APIs in the local, you need the Postman app installed on your local PC, which is why you specifically need the Postman app installed. Otherwise, you can test APIs hosted on the cloud or hosted on the internet on the web app itself, right? Great. So I'll provide all the useful information in the description. Feel free to ask me any questions or leave your feedback in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it, and ciao. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.